Hey, good morning. And today is 19th of July, and suddenly we had a plan. This is my first motor vlog. So here is our bike, here is my riding partner, and we are off for a ride. So stay tuned. So friends, this is my first moto vlog, and this particular ride was kind of a very sudden plan, because we had a plan for the morning, but it got delayed because it rained like anything. Where I got up at around quarter to 5 a.m. and we were supposed to meet at 6:45 at Ambience Mall, Gurgaon, but that couldn't happen because since 5:15 it was raining like anything, and our plan got cancelled. Then my friends Nitin, Tarun, Gajendra, and we were all confused what to do, because Nitin and Tarun had already started from Noida and Gurgaon respectively. So they were already out. They were in the rain. They were riding, and they took shelter under a metro station. So they were doing the planning, what to do, and because we had this meetup planned after a very long time, and since a lot of time we were trying, okay, yes, we should get together and ride, because we formed this group to ride. So the rain stopped. It was still drizzling. I was a little hesitant because roads were wet and all. It was slippery. So I was a little hesitant of going out. But Tarun called me and he said, "Okay, Gaurav, let's do this. Come on, the weather is so amazing." And at that point of time, those guys were at Dhaula Kuan, because Gajendra was joining them at Dhaula Kuan from Janakpuri. So they said, "Okay, Gaurav, you get ready. Don't waste any time. Instead of you coming to Dhaula Kuan, we'll come down to Rohini, and then we'll head towards Karnal bypass and towards the Chandigarh highway." So I said, "Okay, I'll get ready." And my crime partner Gogo, my son, he was pretty excited about the ride. So from last 4 or 5 months, we haven't been able to move out. So he was very much excited to join me over the ride, and we started from Rohini, and then we decided we'll take our first stop at Amrik Sukhdev. And I was absolutely, I was absolutely thankful that I came out, and the weather was absolutely amazing. It was cool. And you can see for yourself, it just stopped raining, and the roads are beginning to dry up, and we are almost about to reach Karnal bypass. From here we'll be taking a left turn, and our first stop will be Amrik Sukhdev. So as we reach this point, this is Karnal bypass, and this is the iconic garbage dump that we all know, which is at exactly at the Karnal bypass. And when the lockdown started, the pollution levels got so low that for people from Jalandhar and Punjab, they could actually see mountains, snow-capped mountains in Himachal that were around more than 200 kilometers away. So people start cracking jokes that people can see this garbage dump all the way from Dwarka, which is at around I believe it's more than 20 kilometers, and it was a joke actually, but it was really funny. So I just wanted to share this moment with you. When I think of all those things, they make me laugh. I think, guys, if I'll tell you, or if I'll try and explain how beautiful the weather was, I just won't be able to explain that in words, because the weather was absolutely amazing while we started cruising the highway, and roads are fantastic, as we all know. This highway is absolutely fantastic till Chandigarh. Here and there we have some bad patches because there are still a lot of flyovers that are being constructed and some toll roads. So we started cruising and we already decided that we won't be overspeeding because I eventually am a slow rider. I don't go above 80 kilometers an hour. I stick to that sweet spot at around somewhere between 60 to 80, and that's what I love because uh, prior to this bike, I owned a Royal Enfield, and Royal Enfields absolutely love 60 to 80 kilometers an hour, and that has always been my sweet spot to cruise. I believe the speeds are meant to be enjoyed, and at those speeds, you actually enjoy everything. Your machine enjoys, you enjoy the views, and the whole feeling is very beautiful. So that's what I always prefer and stick to that sweet spot. And during all this, I was having my little conversations with Parth, and we were discussing about where we about the destination we last went to on our ride. It was like around 6 months, 7 months back, and during the lockdown, we didn't go anywhere. So there was a lot of excitement that we had, and the sudden plan that just came up just from nowhere. So that was even more exciting. By this time, my camera lens was all dirty because of the spray that was coming from the vehicles ahead of us, and but all that had to be forgiven because weather was so beautiful and we just couldn't stop riding despite all that spray and mud coming onto us. And the weather was so cool that at one point of time my son asked me to slow down because he started to feel a little cold, but after some time he got comfortable and we went ahead. The roads were fantastic, weather was beautiful, great bunch of bikers. They were all cool guys: Tarun, Nitin, Gajendra. So before you get completely bored by watching all this boring ride, I should tell you that we decided to take our first halt at Amrik Sukhdev, and but we didn't have tea there. We wanted to sit somewhere outside, some local dhaba, and we went another 15 kilometers ahead and we stopped at 60th milestone dhaba, and we had a cup of tea there. I had the breakfast that I got from home. There were some sandwiches that I got from home for everyone, and it was absolutely amazing. Made a droney there. I couldn't fly my drone a lot because there were some sparrows that came rushing upon the drone, so I immediately landed it. But I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed the ride, and I just conclude my first motor vlog here, and a special thanks to Tarun, Nitin, Gajendra who accompanied me for the ride. Stay safe guys, bye, God bless you.